Good evening, friends. Welcome to Rise IAS Raja's classes. This is Raja Avula. Welcome to you all for my teaching. Today, we are going to discuss the most important topic for the success of the prelims and mains examination of the civil services. So, you know everything. Very recently, 2021 civils notification has been released, and this 2021 notification released in the March 23rd was the last date for the application. So everybody apply, and all the best for your examination, and all the best for your success to enter into the civil service examination. Welcome you people, the people those who are started the preparation. And now we are going to discuss a model for the clear of the prelims and mains examination of the civil services. This is just like how to succeed in the civils examination. I am going to give, that is PRP model. P is a plan for success, plan for preparation. P is a plan for preparation. R is read and revision. P is a finally practice. Practice previous papers. Practice the previous papers. This is PRP model. In this PRP model, how to plan for the preparation? Planning for the preparation, you have to segregate the syllabus. First is the most important thing is syllabus. You should know the syllabus and bifurcate the syllabus, which is more important, which is the less important. But there is no more important, less important in the civil service examination, but syllabus, more syllabus and less syllabus is there. For example, GS paper 1. For the GS paper 1, you need to concentrate more on the history, Indian history, and this is also national movement, art and culture. Art and culture. This is first important. Second is geography. Geography related to the both the world geography and also Indian geography. Along with this, the next importance you have to give for the science and technology. Science and technology. And you should not forget about the current affairs. Current affairs. Current affairs should be continuous process for the preparation. Current affairs, it is very continuous process of the civil service examination or whatever the examination you are going to write. And you plan for these, and remaining social issues or polity, governance, economy, all these things you put aside for the other preparation. This is one preparation, this is one plan for the GS paper 1. Another plan, you take the another plan, polity, governance, economy, ecology, all these aspects you keep some other side. And now prelims examination is on 27th June 2021. 27th June 2021 is the prelims examination. By 27th May 2021, you have to clear your preparation. You have to complete the preparation, that is a plan. And you go to the plan for how many days you have to complete. For this, selection of the books is most important. What are the books you are going to select? Selection of books. Mostly people are selecting the textbooks, that is what called as NCERT textbooks. Most of the people, they are going to concentrate on the NCERT books. That is one plan. Okay, go for the NCERT. Almost the people, those who are going to attempt They might be read NCERT books once already. So like this, you prepare, plan how many days should give for the Indian history, how many days should give for the geography, how many days should give for the science and technology and current affairs. This you plan. But entire the day you should not go to the one subject, you divide the subjects. And don't go for the more books. If you go to the more books is more danger. Going to the more books is more danger. So less number of the books, correct books, textbooks, basic books. You have to read the basic books for the prelims examination. This is a plan for the preparation. And after this, read and revision. That is one another plan, another thing in the model, read and revision. And you know how to read. Read properly the textbooks, and while you are reading first time the textbooks, first time you need to identify what should note down, what not to be. And going to this factor, selection of the matter is most important in the reading. While you are reading any book or NCERT, suppose you are reading NCERT book. This NCERT book, while you are reading, you should not copy paste all the NCERT matter into the notebooks. You have to identify the areas. Suppose you are going to read one chapter. Identify important topics of this chapter and important headlines of this chapter. Take it one by one. After reading this, watching this important or headlines, you will have to get the preparation which has been completed earlier. The complete idea should be get. Like that you have to prepare. If you complete once the preparation, that is once the reading of any book, you should revise within 24 hours. You should revise within 24 hours. Revision must and should for the each and every reading. For example, you read one chapter in the NCERT. That chapter you made a notes. These notes should revise within 24 hours. For example, 1 hour notes, whatever you prepared 1 hour notes, for this 1 hour notes you need to get 6 minutes for the revision. Yes, why I am going to tell revise within 24 hours. Coming to that point, revision of the 24 hours. Because each and every work, it should have some plan. If you go with the plan, definitely you will be in the success. The person who is in the plan, definitely he will be in the success. Read and revision, coming to that point. Our mind will be divided into two parts. There are two chips in the mind. One is STM, another one is LTM. Short-term memory, long-term memory. If you read one chapter, revise within 24 hours, that will go to the long-term memory. You will memorize long-term, you will be keep it in the mind for the long period. If you go to the revision of the 24 hours. Otherwise, it will goes to the short-term memory. Short-term memory is very danger. You will be always in the confusion which is correct in either 1, 2, 3, 4. You will get 4 options for the multiple choice questions. Which is correct? You will find out 2 and 3. If you find out 2 and 3 are the doubt, you will be in the confusion always 2 and 3. That confusion will occur to you because you are not going to revise within 24 hours. If you revise within 24 hours, that problem will be clear. That is the second method, second model, read and revision. And the third model is practice. Practice the previous papers always. The people, those who are practicing the previous papers, they will know the idea of the question paper, how they are going to prepare, and where they are going to concentrate. If you go to the practice of the previous papers, definitely while you are reading second time, you yourself will find the questions, how the questions will come from this area. That idea will be get by you immediately. So this is most important. The people, those who are going to prepare practice papers, previous papers, they will be always more in the more marks, will get more marks and will completely clear the prelims examination. So plan for the exam, plan for the preparation. Don't collect more books, less number of the books, textbooks, and read and revision within 24 hours. You have to revise and practice the previous papers. This is the method how to prepare PRP method. Follow this, definitely you will get through first attempt of the civil service examination. Okay, all the best for you, the people those who are attempting prelims examination this year.